The rain in Hell's Kitchen was relentless, slicing through the night like whispers of guilt. Matt Murdock stood still, head tilted, listening. A scream. He darted over rooftops, each step calibrated with practiced grace. A mugger dragged a woman into an alley. Matt landed behind them. The man whirled, blade flashing. "Bad night to be loud," Daredevil said, dodging one crack of his billy club, and the man crumpled. The woman stared. "Who are you?" He touched his fingers to the side of his glasses. "Just someone who listens."